show you how to do an ABS wheel speed sensor on the rear of a 2015 Subaru. Should be the same for all of them. So if you do a wheel bearing like I did and you break this thing, it's actually pretty easy to do. Some of the things, so you need to take the rear seat out, that is incorrect. This is a 10 millimeter. Take that out and then just trace it, pop all these off, which I'll show you. And then I'm gonna show you how to get to it from the inside. Some of the stuff says you gotta take out the rear seat. That is wrong also. I did it because I didn't look at it first. So you get in here, you take your trunk deck stuff out, take this plastic piece out. It's two little plastic pieces. Just pop it out, screwdriver, or with one of these tools. Get this from Amazon for 10 bucks, it's easy. And then up underneath this black piece, look, see the connector? So you're looking for this gray piece, put your flat blade in there, push down, push towards the front of the car. It'll pop right out. Unscrew that, grab yourself a flat blade, get up under the end, pull up, it'll pop right out. You can see mine's busted. So if you do a wheel bearing, take this out first, so you don't have to spend 40 bucks and get a new one. And these just pop out like this. See, I pushed in the middle and you just pull that out and these come out. This is just your standard thing that's gonna pop out. All right, and then so this one just popped out of there and then it goes through this hole right there. Just give it a little tug. Make sure you unplug the inside first and that'll pop right out. Here's the new one. This one, it actually comes with all the connectors, the mounting points, so I'll just undo these and just use the old ones so I don't have to pop those out. And this is going to be part number